How to fix login issue on Goodbudget app. Okay, so you are trying to log into the Goodbudget and it's not just happening. Super frustrating, right? Don't worry, let's troubleshoot this. First thing first, let's open Goodbudget and go inside it. So here you will see an option for the login. If it's not happening, here are the things that you will do. However, I'm being able to log into this app. So I'll explaining you the process that will help you to fix the issues that you are having to log in Goodbudget. So first thing you can do is double check your email and password. I know sounds obvious, but are you absolutely sure you are using the right one? Typos are sneaky little things. Try typing it out in the Notes app first, then copy and paste it in. It's still no luck. Let's try resetting your password. Click on Forget Password link on the login screen. Let's tap on Login. And here you can see an option for forget. You can try this one too. After you tap on it, Goodbudget will send you an email with the instruction. Be sure to check the spam or the junk files folder just in case. Okay, password reset didn't work either. Is your Goodbudget app updated? Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store depending upon what type of mobile that you are using. Make sure you are running the latest version. Updated apps can cause all sorts of weird login issues too. Still stuck? It might be a temporary issue on Goodbudget's end. Give it a few minutes or even an hour and try again. Sometimes servers just need a little nap. If none of these things work, you just need to reach out to Goodbudget support team directly. They're super helpful and can usually get you back on the track. You can find their contact info on the Goodbudget website too. Hopefully, one of these tips get you back into your budget in no time. Let me know in the comments which trick worked for you or if you have any other solutions. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.